Are you an Apple Music fan but prefer using Google Home devices? Well, you are in luck. Today I am going to show you how to seamlessly play Apple Music on your Google Home in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Step up the Google Home app. First, ensure you have the Google Home app installed on your iPhone and Android devices. If you don't have it yet, pause here, download it, and then come back. Open the Google Home app, accept any permission requests that pop up. Log into your Google account if prompted. Step 2. Link your Apple Music account. Next, we'll link your Apple Music account to your Google Home. Tap on the settings icon at the bottom of the main screen. Scroll down and select services, then tap on music. Look for Apple Music in the list and tap continue. You will be directed to log into your Apple ID, enter your credentials and agree to any terms. Once linked, your Google Nest devices can stream Apple Music directly. Step 3. Set Apple Music as default, optional. To make your experience even smoother, consider setting Apple Music as your default music provider. Go back to the music devices or services section in the Google Home app to select Apple Music as your default services. Now you can simply ask Google to play music without needing to specify on Apple Music every time. Step 4. Control playback with voice commands. Now that everything is set up, controlling playback is easy. To play a specific song or playlist, just say, "Hey Google, play song" or name on Apple Music. You can also give commands like skip, pause, or play my library to manage your music effortlessly. Conclusion. And there you have it. With these steps, you can enjoy all your favorite tracks from Apple Music on your Google Home devices. Whether you're hosting a party or just relaxing at home, controlling your music has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy listening.